Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel, my first video of 2021. I have leveled up. I have disappeared for a while, but it's because I just moved into my new apartment. So I'm gonna do a really quick apartment tour for you guys. It's empty, there's nothing in here. This is one of the first things I'm doing right now because I wanted to do it before, hello lighting. I wanted to go ahead and do it before I put any furniture or clothes or anything in here. So without further ado, let's just get on into my new place.
Black Queen. Failure ain't an option. You looking clean, clean, clean. Failure ain't an option.
So walking in, we've got a pretty long hallway before we get to the living area. So here's my front door. I am on the top floor, so I have really high ceilings, so I've got a really long door. So the first door in my apartment on the left-hand side, just kidding, the right-hand side is going to be my office. So it's not a huge space. It's just, you know, 4 walls and a mirror. Can't show y'all too much because I don't want y'all to see what's outside. Right here is the first room. I did notice that there's no fan in this room, so that AC definitely has to be popping whenever I'm in here because no ma'am, okay? No ma'am. So in my last apartment, I had the spare room as a guest room, and I never, ever had anyone sleep over because of the pandemic or whatever, and just nobody ever slept over. So this time, this room is all about me. All the rooms in here are all about me. This is my apartment, okay? Period. So this time I'm gonna use this room solely as my office and recording space. There will be no bed. There's just gonna be, I think I'm gonna put my desk and my computer right here. Maybe like a little lounge chair and like a very large mirror and some nice stuff on the walls and maybe some shelves over here or something, but this is my room, period, okay? If you're a guest and you come over, you gotta leave by 12 because I have nowhere for you to sleep. Okay, great. So let's move on. All right, so I muted this part because I realized I was being kind of ungrateful because some people don't even have a washer and dryer. I'm a little bougie. I wanted the ones that you could like see the clothes drying and like circling around. But you know, hey, this is the washer and dryer situation, and you know, your girl is grateful out here. But I was saying, you know, yeah, just carry on. But I mean, I don't really care that much, and it's in a closet. No one's gonna see. But this is my washer and dryer, and I'm not gonna lie. In my last apartment, it had more of like a laundry room kind of, and this place is really just a so yeah, I guess just I'll be putting my detergent and stuff up here or just on here and whatever, but at least it closes so nobody got to know that it looked like that, and it's not a huge deal. It's not like I just don't care. I don't care enough. So walking down this hallway, like I said, it's a pretty long hallway from the door to down here, which I think is pretty cool. But before we get in here, so right here, there's a storage closet, but it's like, I could probably fit in here, but I think right here, I'm just gonna put in like my broom, my mop, any like cleaning type thing will go in here because it's pretty skinny. Maybe I can, my recording stuff can actually fit in here also, so. Yeah, like my camera stands or like any lights or anything can probably go in here. So that's not that interesting. And this door is my guest bathroom. Sounds light. So here is the guest bathroom. Hey, how y'all doing? So something that I like better about this bathroom than I did in my last bathroom, an apartment period, is I way more prefer these counters than the last one that I had. I don't know what the old ones are called, but they're the ones that have like the white and black and like a little bit of gray on the counters, and I feel like it's so much harder to tell if your counter needs cleaning or not. You know, some people might actually like that, but I like when I'm cleaning, I can tell like I got everything. So I really just like these countertops a lot better. I don't know what they're called. Plenty of storage space down here. Whoever lived in here last did a nice job of cleaning it up because my last apartment, we're not gonna talk about it. Also, I love this shower. I really do. Like, can we talk about the texture of the shower walls. It's fancy. I like it a lot. I love the shower head, and I really like the tiling on the floor as well. I just think this whole shower is a vibe and a half. I really, really like this one. So this is the guest bathroom, which is actually another one of my bathrooms because there are no guests sleeping here. Okay, all right now. Go ahead and turn that light off. So moving on, out here will be the place where I reside, okay? Out here we've got the living room, the kitchen, and the dining room. So we're gonna start with the dining room area. I plan on doing something very cute over here because my last apartment, so this needs to be cleaned off. I'm gonna clean you guys off, it's a little blurry. There we go. So my last apartment, I had like a big old dining table. It wasn't huge, but it was big. We ate there. I did have people come over every now and then, we would eat there, but this time I wanna do something extremely simple with my dining area. I don't want a big old table that like comes out to here. I want like a little small circular table, 2 accent chairs, some shelves or something, and we just gonna call it a day, okay? Because I just don't wanna take up too much space in my apartment, and I just don't wanna do that, so I'm not going to. So this pretty much is supposed to be the dining area. Has 3 little lightings up there. And then we have the living room. I gotta close these blinds because I cannot have y'all see what the apartments look like out here because y'all not gonna track me down, okay? So let's just look on this side. So here is my living room right here. By the way, yes, I have wood floors, which is pretty nice. I forgot what my floors looked like at my old apartment, I'm not even gonna lie, but I really like the wood flooring here. And this is the other side. I think I'm gonna put my TV on this side since it's smaller, and that way it'll give me more space for a bigger couch. Maybe like a little plant over there or something, but yes, living room. Like I said, I got a little balcony situation. We're not gonna show it because the window's open. Okay, let's stop stalling. Here is my kitchen. And like I said, the only thing I brought in here were my flowers that my boyfriend got me for my birthday, but I could not leave those at home. They were too cute, so I decided to bring them. Let's get into this kitchen. All right, so this is my kitchen. I love this kitchen. It's probably the reason why I got this apartment in the first place. I'm not gonna show you every cabinet, but like the amount of storage space in here that I'm about to put chips in is absolutely ridiculous. Good stuff. I can actually probably fit some other stuff in here as well. It doesn't have to be all food, but the storage is crazy. Come on, storage. Space. We love a good storage space. Here is my fridge, and one thing that I love, if you know me, which if you're my friend and you're watching this, shout out to the ice machine, okay? Because my last apartment, it only had like this, okay? And I feel like I have low iron or something. I love me some crushed ice. And my last apartment, I had to have cubed ice all the time, so it will be on this button anytime you come to my house. If you ever see it on here, that means I had a visitor or somebody broke in and got some cubed ice, because this is where my ice resides, okay? I want my crushed ice, period. I love me a good crushed ice. I don't have any cups yet, so I can't see what type of, what type of quality we're working with. If you're an ice lover, you know there's different type of ice quality, and I'm gonna check it out. But very happy that I have crushed ice. You have no idea how happy I am. So along down here, there is just more cabinet space. I want to open this one because I'm like, what is all this cabinet space? a lot of cabinet space. And I do cook a little bit, so I'm not even gonna act like I don't be in the kitchen. So y'all are not gonna disrespect me. I be in the kitchen, okay? I be on DoorDash, but I also do be in the kitchen, so I will be in here as well. I will be in here. And something also that I love about this apartment is that, like in my last apartment, the kitchen was in a weird spot, so I couldn't really like wash dishes or cook and watch my reality TV at the same time. I had to like, if I wanted to watch TV, I'd have to come out the kitchen and come around and be like, what's going on? Which is kind of a good thing because it helps me like do other things while cooking, like listening to podcasts or listening to worship music. But I mean, it's nice to have the option. You know what I'm saying? I'd like to have the option. So since my TV will be right there, I'll be able to clean my dishes, whip up some food, watch me some TV, period. So really quick, my appliances, this is my microwave. So here's my stove and my oven. So just more cabinets and stuff up down there and up here. And here is just a last look at my kitchen. I mean, do I not look fantastic in here? Can you just imagine me, me washing the dishes, me cooking up breakfast, cooking up dinner, warming up my DoorDash. I mean, I just can't get enough of this. I mean, this is the one, this is the one. I should have started off here. If you can't tell, I absolutely love my new apartment. But we're not done yet. Let's get on into my bedroom now. So leaving my kitchen and dining room, I put the flowers down there, don't mind, and my living room. Then here we have my bedroom. You can already tell the lighting in here is gonna be so good. So this is my bedroom. It's not huge. I think my other bedroom might have actually been bigger, but we are gonna make it work. So my window is here and then just a wall. I'll probably put my bed on this wall and then some pictures over here and then my TV on this wall. So I know it's probably more conventional, or is that the word? I think most people would put their bed over here and their TV over here, which makes sense. I'm gonna push my bed in the corner. I just have a full-size bed, so it's not that big. Put it in the corner so that I can have more space, and then I'll have more of a walkway into the rest of my room. So that is just what I'm thinking right now. I'm not positive. We're gonna play around with it and we're gonna see, but that is my thought process right now. All right, I'm not gonna lie. I've got a major problem. I don't know how I'm supposed to turn on or off my fan, or like it should. I wanna know who can reach that. Who's reaching that? I'm nowhere near. I don't even think I would be close if I stood on my bed. I could use some longer strings. I know, like I said, I'm on the top floor, so my ceilings are vaulted, but dang, I don't know how I'm ever gonna see. I don't know. And we're just gonna keep it on or keep it off. So moving on over here, then we have my closet. Let's turn this light on. So it's not huge or anything, and this lighting it's so yellow. Like, they could have did a better job with that, but I have a little walk-in closet. It's pretty much the same size as my last closet, so whatever, I don't really care. I don't have that much clothes right now anyways, but this is my closet. I like how it gives you like some lower areas and some higher ones. So like you can have your long dresses here, maybe your jeans down here, and like your shirts and tank tops over here or something. And then space for your shoes, and you can also put stuff on up here. So it's kind of some more storage space as well for like these parts up here. Put some items up here. And that is my bath. What's this? Does this open? Okay, I'm not gonna fool with it. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna leave that alone. Turning off lights, cause yeah, like y'all remember, guess who's paying bills? I am, so we're gonna turn that light off. And last but not least is my bathroom. So this will be my bathroom. It's the same exact as the guest bathroom. The only difference is that the guest shower is actually a little bit bigger than my shower, which I don't care too much because I don't need that much space, but you'd figure the bigger shower would be in the actual like master, and I'm gonna say master because that thing is small, the master bathroom. I mean, the master bedroom, but it's fine because this is still a really good size. So same exact shower, same like tiling on the walls and on the floor from the last guest shower, same shower head, same mirror, same me, hello. And then just back here, a rack for my towel. What do you guys think? I love it. All right, so let's just get back on over here. We're gonna turn this light off, but not with that. We're gonna use this. All right now, come on somebody. So, yeah, that's about it. So that is my full apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I absolutely love this new apartment. I know some of you guys, sorry, I've been getting a phone call. What?